Now I want to explain you what are the irrational numbers. As discussed, natural, whole numbers, then integers, their operations. Also explained you what are the rational numbers in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers having no common factor with q is not equal to 0. Actually, rational numbers are of two types: terminating rational numbers and non-terminating rational numbers. Terminating rational numbers are those where the division is closed, finished, terminates, and non-terminating rational numbers are those where the division remains to continue, never ending, but always if a number is rational and it is a non-terminating, then the repetition will begin. You all know about it. Now I want to explain you what are the irrational numbers. So irrational numbers are those which are not rational, and you must understand that every natural number is always rational, because every natural number can be written as in the form of p by q. So every natural is always rational, every whole number is always rational, every integer is always rational. Then what are the rationals? Few more decimal numbers are, and proper fraction and improper fraction are the additional number in the group of the rational numbers. Now question raised, what are the irrational numbers? As I explained you what are the irrational numbers, that numbers which are non-terminating, non-repeating, numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating are known as irrational number. The simplest example, as I told you, that in case of square root of 2, one can find the value of square root of 2 up to infinite number of points, but will not get any repeated digit and will never terminate. So non-terminating, non-repeating numbers are known as the irrational numbers. So non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are known as irrational numbers, So square root of 2, you can say square root of 3, you can say square root of 5, and I can tell you, if I write 3.71771 dot. So dot indicates that is the possibility of what? Non-termination, and neither it is repeating, because 7 then 1, then 771, then 771. So some sort of numbers are also taken or considered in the group of irrational numbers. Now we will discuss with you how to insert the few natural numbers, how to insert few rational numbers and irrational numbers between two given numbers, and how to visualize the rationals and irrationals on the number line.